Nominations of the Hin Nam Nor National Protected Area as Laos' first natural World Heritage Site got into gear as officials met in Thakhaek District, Khammuan Province on Friday to endorse the nomination and management plans for 2018. The meeting, hosted by the Khammuan Province Administration Office, was also attended by the Deputy Minister of Information, Culture and Tourism, Mr. Bongn Sapawong, Khammuan Provincial Deputy Governor, Mr. Khamsi Uttivong, and other officials. Mr. Bongn said, with Hin Nam Nor's huge potential for ecotourism, its UNESCO World Heritage status will make an important contribution to socio-economic development, especially for the people of Khammuan. Mr. Khamsi said Hin Nam Nor will attract both local and international tourists and thereby generate income for local communities if it is nominated as a World Heritage Site. He said, adding, importantly, it will create opportunities to boost the livelihoods of local communities. By this means, they will be better able to ensure their food security and have an alternative source of income. Hin Nam Nor has been under consideration for nomination as a potential World Heritage Site because of its natural landscape, unique geomorphologic formations of limestone karst, and the area's rich biodiversity of wildlife and plants. Hin Nam Nor National Protection Area covers an area of 82,000 hectares. It is home to over 40 mammal species, over 200 bird species, 25 bat species, 46 species of amphibians and reptiles, over 100 fish species, and more than 520 plant species. Many of these species are considered as endangered or vulnerable, not only in Laos but also globally. Presently, the government is also preparing a submission for the Plain of Jars in Khammuan Province to UNESCO World Heritage status.
การอนุรักษ์รักษาถ้ำแห่งนี้ยังคงความสวยสดงดงามและความเป็นธรรมชาติไว้หลายสมควรแก่นักท่องเที่ยวหรือว่านักผจญภัยผู้ที่อยากรู้อยากเห็นทั้งหลายมาท่องเที่ยวเพราะว่าแปลกประหลาดแท้ๆสำหรับกับเจ้าเองก็มาครั้งทำอิฐรู้สึกว่าประทับใจหลายมีหลายสิ่งหลายอย่างที่มันสวยสดงดงามหลาย
Deputy Minister of Information, Culture and Tourism Bongn Sapawong said, adding, World Heritage status would also enhance protection of the area, improve conservation, and facilitate better management of the natural resources in and around Hin Nam Nor, promoting ecotourism and scientific research.
So this idea actually to create a transboundary World Heritage Site that includes most of this diversity, spans between Laos and Vietnam, and kind of supports the better management by collaboration between the two countries and an international commitment that dates back to about 10 years, that came up 10 years ago. I think now we are really seeing that this is becoming a reality. So very soon this might be a reality. And considering that GIZ has been supporting Hin Nam Nor since 2011, this process brings everything together that we have basically done, and puts a new significance. And I think that is very clear that we would like to be part and support this process as much as possible.
Following over 5 years technical support for the management and development of the Hin Nam Nor National Protected Area, the Deutsche Gesellschaft für International Zusammenarbeit, or GIZ, is continuing to support these important undertakings through the component Integrated Nature Conservation and Sustainable Resource Management in the Hin Nam Nor region under the German Development Cooperation Project, Protection and Sustainable Use of Forest Ecosystems and Biodiversity in Laos. Hin Nam Nor is believed to have outstanding universal value, adding to or complementing the conservation value of global importance in Punga Gebang by UNESCO. These values need strong protection and therefore need a strong commitment from the highest level and by all stakeholders. Laos has two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the ancient city of Luang Prabang, which was nominated in 1995, and the pre-Angkor Wat Pu Temple complex, which was nominated in 2001.